In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Trade Republic to Google Wallet. So the first thing you want to do inside your app, you want to go ahead and tap on the cash menu up top, and then you want to go under your available balance and you want to tap on the card. Now down here at the very bottom of your page, it's going to say add to Google Pay. So this will basically add to your Google Wallet. Simply tap on that, and then of course it's going to ask for your fingerprint. There we go. And then it's going to open up the Google Pay, Google Wallet. It's going to say add payment card, and then you have to tap on add to wallet at the bottom right. And when you do that, it's going to start adding it to wallet. There we go. You have to press continue. And when you press continue here, it's going to start checking your card eligibility. And then here, there's going to be some terms. You can basically just read these and then tap on the accept button at the very bottom. And then it's going to start processing your card details. This usually takes a few seconds, up to a few minutes, depending on how fast your internet is and stuff like that. And there we go. Then you'll basically just have to verify it's you. Right now, you can't see my screen anymore, but you're going to have to verify. And whenever you do that, your card will be added to Google Wallet. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.